Hello everyone, I'm Bhagvad Sowraj of class 9F. In this presentation, me and my peers will be talking about the endangered animals or the endangered species. Okay, but before moving on to the topic, we must know what are these endangered animals or endangered species. Any animal or plant that is in the verge of becoming extinct is known as endangered species or the endangered animals. Okay, so this could either be due to the massive hunting of the predators or due to the climatic changes in the places which they live. Okay, now I'm handing over this presentation to my peers and they will be explaining more deeply about this topic. Thank you. I hope you'll enjoy this presentation.
Hello guys. So after hearing all this, you might think, what's the main reason behind the animals becoming endangered? Experts estimate that the extinction rate of animal species today is between 1,000 and 10,000 times higher than the natural extinction rate. The main reason why the animals are being endangered is because of overhunting, habitat loss, pollution, and human-wildlife conflict. My friend is going to explain to you about it more. Thank you.
One of the most significant causes of endangered animals is habitat loss. While habitat may be lost due to natural forces, much of the habitat lost today is due to human activity. Invasive species are one of the key biotic reasons for animals being endangered. Many species arriving in a new ecosystem are ill-adapted and quickly die off. However, some species are able to exploit the ecosystem to detriment of native organisms. The spread of domesticated animals has also spread the diseases associated with them to new areas of the world. In some cases, the disease infected native populations which had little resistance to invading pathogen. These diseases may reach epidemic levels in the native population, decimating their numbers.
We know that there are many endangered animals on this planet. Well, I would like to say 4 endangered animals that I know. Asian elephant. The Asian elephant are found from India in the west, Nepal in the north, Sumatra in the south, and Borneo to the east. The IUCN's best guess on the current population of the Asian elephant, which inhabit 13 countries, is around 40,000 to 50,000. Sea otter. Well, the sea otter is a marine mammal native to the coast of the northern and the eastern North Pacific Ocean. The luxurious waterproof coat that insulates sea otters from chilly waters that they inhabit almost led to its extinction. Snow leopard. The snow leopard, also known as the ounce, is in the field of the genus Panda, native to the mountain ranges of Central and Southern Asia. The farmers who depend upon the animal shoot the problem leopards. Orangutan. Orangutan is a Malaysian for the person of the forest. Though they may resemble melted muppets more than people, their abilities are very human indeed. Like gorillas and chimpanzees, they have been known to use their tools. Well, what is a fish without a river? What is a bird without a tree to nest in? What is an Endangered Species Act without an enforcement mechanism to ensure their habitat is protected? So let's put a hand in saving these animals.
Now we shall look at ways to conserve these endangered species. At the international level, the WWF, World Wide Fund for Nature, is an NGO that strives to conserve and reduce threats to the environment on Earth. They take many steps to save animals. Double tiger population. WWF works with world leaders to double tiger population by 2022. They also conserve 25,000 acres of land. Empower people to save environment. The WWF work across a variety of communities and customize their work based on the specific needs of a given place, each region's particular set of conservation assets and challenges. Closing Asia's ivory markets. Ivory is extracted from elephant tusks, so thousands of elephants die so just we can cut off their tusks. WWF is working to shut down the illegal markets and help end the ivory trade.
So, what is the UAE doing to conserve wildlife? Well, the Environment Agency Abu Dhabi EAD takes care of more than 50,000 animals throughout the Emirates. They check the health of the wildlife, the regulations that protect them, and areas that need more attention for conservation. The EAD have vaccination programs and health screening for these animals to keep them safe and away from diseases. The Arabian oryx is a good example of what the UAE has done to conserve wildlife. These animals had been near extinction, but the EAD restored some of the oryx population, and now the UAE is home to 58% of the total population of the Arabian oryx.
Now, let's check what India has done to protect the endangered species. Although many species are becoming endangered, India is taking measures to preserve them. India is creating large areas of land that are reserved for wildlife called biosphere reserves. For stocking of the endangered species, the central government first initiated integrated development of wildlife habitat scheme and later modified it by including a new component, recovery of endangered species. National Endangered Species Day is observed annually across India on the third Friday of May in order to raise awareness about the endangered species and wildlife in India. Examples of national parks are Cobbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Periyar National Park in Kerala, Bandipur National Park in Karnataka.